Most AI summaries of research give you the same thing, a polished recap of what the authors said in the order they said it. That's not analysis, that's a book report. This toolkit does something different. It gives you 9 prompts, 3 lenses, 3 formats each, designed to interrogate research, not just repackage it. Here's how it works. You pick a lens based on the question you're actually asking. The structural integrity analyst asks, is this argument load-bearing, or is it hollow? It pressure tests methodology and flags where the abstract overpromises. It ends with a confidence rating, strong evidence with a narrow scope, or weak evidence with a bold claim. The multi-scale strategist asks what happens when this finding leaves the lab. It tracks a result from one person's decision, to an organization's policy, to a society-wide shift, and it's honest about where evidence ends and speculation begins. The consensus auditor asks, did anything actually change? It measures the distance between what the field believed before and what it should believe after. And it won't let a repackaged footnote pass as a breakthrough. Now, each lens comes in 3 formats. An audio prompt you paste into NotebookLM to generate a spoken analysis. An infographic prompt you feed to an image generator for a visual companion. And a slide deck prompt you run in any LLM to produce a structured 3-slide breakdown. Every prompt is self-contained. Copy it, paste it, add your take on it. 9 ways to engage with research. Pick the lens, pick the format, start asking better questions, do better research.